This small RC crawler has something that many expensive RC models still don't offer. Today, we're putting the JXC LR1801 1/18th scale crawler to the test. And honestly, this little machine completely exceeded my expectations. It comes packed with features: a real 3-speed mechanical gearbox, fully proportional controls, functional lights, metallic paintwork, and nearly 50 minutes of runtime. But the big question is, can this tiny crawler actually handle real mountain terrain and technical trails? There's only one way to find out. If you enjoy the video, make sure to leave a like, drop a comment, and of course, subscribe to the channel for more RC adventures. Now, let's hit the trail and get straight into the video. Welcome back to Toys in RC. Today we're taking a detailed look at the JXC LR1801 RTR in 1/18th scale. This small off-road crawler was built to tackle trails, rocks, dirt paths, and mountain terrain. And honestly, for its price, it comes packed with features that you would normally only find on much more expensive crawlers. The LR1801 is available in 4 different color options: blue, yellow, green, and gray, as shown on the official website. Just by looking at the box artwork, you can already tell this is a high-quality product. The packaging has a very premium look, showcases the different available versions, and also highlights the included transmitter, giving a great first impression right away. Now, let's open the box and see everything that comes inside. Inside the box, you will find the JXC LR1801 RC car, a rechargeable car battery, the 2.4 GHz remote controller, a USB charging cable, and an instruction manual with basic setup and operating information. In this bag, you'll find the charger, the instruction manual, and a few additional parts that we'll take a closer look at next. I recommend that these small parts and cables are assembled with the help of an adult. The included USB charger is designed to charge the 7.4 volt, 380 mAh battery, included with the JXC LR1801. Charging time is approximately 1 hour, and it can be used with phone chargers, power banks, computers, or any standard USB port. The instruction manual included is simple and beginner-friendly, making the setup process very easy, even for first-time RC users. It explains the basic controls, battery installation, charging process, lighting modes, and gearbox functions, helping users quickly understand how to operate the crawler correctly and safely. The remote controller included with the JXC LR1801 uses a 2.4 GHz full proportional system that provides smooth and precise steering and throttle control. It also allows you to switch between the different gearbox modes, control the lighting functions, and comfortably operate the crawler with one hand. With a control range of around 50 meters, the connection remains stable and responsive during outdoor trail driving. The first thing that stands out is the extremely realistic scale appearance. The metallic paint looks surprisingly premium, especially outdoors under natural light. It also includes highly detailed accessories, such as roof accessories, a spare tire, steel cable, and a functional lighting system. For such a small crawler, the overall appearance is honestly fantastic. The tires also look very realistic, and the suspension gives the truck a very convincing off-road stance. As I mentioned earlier, to install the cables and tighten the roof rack accessories, I recommend asking an adult for help. Now I'm going to install the batteries in the remote controller, put the main battery on charge, and then we'll power up the RC crawler for the first time. The power button is discreetly located underneath the body shell. As soon as it's pressed, the lights immediately start flashing until the remote controller is powered on and connected to the crawler. Now let's talk about the most impressive feature of this model, the incredible 3-speed mechanical gearbox. Directly from the transmitter, you can switch between high speed, neutral, low speed, and even automatic mode, something extremely rare at this price range. On top of that, this crawler features fully proportional control, delivering a much smoother, more realistic and precise driving experience compared to typical basic RC toys. To make things even better, the model also includes 4 different lighting modes: fast flashing, slow flashing, constant light, lights off. All of this creates a far more immersive and exciting experience, especially during night driving. Now I'm going to do a quick test with these tires. Without a doubt, this crawler is incredibly fun to drive. In terms of performance, it's clear that this model was built for technical trails and realistic crawling rather than outright speed. Its top speed is around 9 kilometers per hour, but for a scale crawler like this, that's perfectly acceptable. The low speed mode gives you much greater control when tackling steep climbs and difficult obstacles, making the driving experience feel far more precise and realistic. And thanks to the 4-wheel drive system, the crawler maintains excellent traction, even on loose and uneven terrain. The suspension also does a great job absorbing impacts and keeping the vehicle stable while driving over rocks, roots, and rough surfaces. Now let's take it outside, where the natural terrain makes the crawling experience feel truly realistic. After testing it on real trails, I can honestly say this crawler was far more fun than I expected. The combination of realistic looks, excellent battery life, proportional control, and the mechanical gearbox makes it feel like a much more premium model than its price suggests. One of the details I really enjoyed was the lighting setup. The headlights, brake lights, and turn signals give it a very realistic and stylish appearance on the trail. Of course, it's not the most powerful crawler on the market, but for beginners, casual trail driving, and pure off-road fun, this little beast is seriously impressive. If you enjoy small-scale crawlers and realistic trail adventures, the JXC LR1801 is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure.